A statewide initiative went local today on new ways for residents to mentor young people. The first annual Mentoring Summit was held at Indiana University Northwest. The goal to secure positive role models for children in the region. 4 local universities contributed to a presentation that offered participants guidelines on how to become better mentors and to encourage others to join in as well.
There are so many kids out there that need an adult in their lives. So if organizations combine efforts and come up with the best ways to exercise mentoring, it's better to do it collectively and put these the brain trusts and these ideas into one bank where we can discuss mentoring as a community.
Community organizations and businesses can choose to be a member of a co-op that will provide mentor training and have access to statewide mentoring resources that are available on the web. Well, still to come on Lakeshore News tonight. If you like cute and fuzzy, get ready because they were both in our lobby today, as you can see, and could be yours this weekend. That story, sports, and your AccuWeather forecast are just ahead.